up, guys? My name is Bobo Bagshee, and I'm back at the ToffeeTV Comedy Corner. You know, this is cool. It's cool because it's tough finding work for funny people, especially funny puppets. Hey, do you know what you call a puppet with moving arms?
No!
Humans just call us armpits. Yeah, everyone just loves armpits. We can be tickled. And sometimes people make fun of us because we stink. But you know what? Our ancestors used their sticky armpits to keep away the bad guys. They would smell so bad, every time the bad guys would try and attack, they would just faint.
Ew!
That's a fact. Yup, it is. Okay, so it's winter, it's cold. At times you look out into the sky and wonder, how can the sun be shining while we sit in bed wearing socks and shirts and pants and sweaters and more socks and gloves and woolen winter caps? I feel like turning around to the air and saying, "Hey you, mister, you in charge. The sun is still out. Can you please raise the thermostat a bit, please?" Oh yeah, winter is cold, and it can be fun. Or it would be after we got done with the exams, right?
That's right.
Oh, I dislike exams in the winter because, well, look at my hands. I can barely hold a pen on a normal day. Can you imagine how tough it is to write with a pen in the cold with these fingers? Hi, Mr. Weston. Mr. Weston is my biology teacher, and he is fun. I get to learn about photosynthesis and plants, about algae, and different kinds of soil. Fun. But I think what I really enjoy learning from Mr. Weston is about different kinds of fungus. What makes the class even more funny is he is such a fun guy.
Aww.
Get it? Yeah, it's important to know about chemical compounds and stuff. But come on, guys. Will I ever have to go in a store and say, "Excuse me, mister, can I buy a bottle of H2O? Or do you have some NaCl? Or how about, got something with theobromine?" Exams can make you do really silly things, okay? Here's a funny incident I know of. A father asked a son, "Why do you get such low scores in exams?" The son responded, "Because of absences." The father asked again, "What? Were you absent on the exam day?" The son answered, "No, the boy next to me was absent." Here's one more for you. Do you know the name of the nation people hate the most? Close, but not quite. The nation people hate the most is examination. Good luck to all of you still giving exams. Peace, love, and harmony for everyone. That's it from me. You're an awesome audience. Have a good night.
Never ever miss out on an update from ToffeeTV.com. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell.
ToffeeTV.com.
For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.